Alrighty, what's going on? This is going to be the first of many, hopefully, 360-degree views as we do a driving tour through San Clemente, South San Clemente if we're being exact. I'm going to hop on here on El Camino Real once it's safe. And I got my good buddy in the back seat with me. He wants to make friends with the doggy over on the sidewalk, but we're just gonna head south and do a quick little test of the 360 camera. Oh, not getting very fast, but that's okay. We're coming up here to the first stop. When I moved here 10 years ago, the first place I went to was the OC Tavern. But the favorite spot now that I've lived here 10 years, I would rather go to Molly Bloom's Irish Pub. Much better situation. Oh, but Buddy wants to go for a walk down at the park. We're on our way, dude. No, it's gonna take a few minutes though. And now I'm recording it, which is very exciting. We're gonna go ahead and pass right over the 5 freeway now. No traffic. Wow, that's surprising. It's a Friday, Halloween, October 31st. And actually there's not a lot of traffic on the roads overall. We're getting closer. We're going to your favorite park, aren't we, big guy? Aren't we? Where are we going? He's excited because he hasn't been getting out very often since I hurt my calf. But that's okay. We're going to go stretch his legs out at the park. Passing by Araya's Paradise. Beautiful nursing home. Wow, you're just gonna stop in the middle of the intersection? What was that? Okay. Anyway, everyone just wants to hang out at the intersection, I guess. Except for the Tesla. Tesla thought that they had the right of way. And of course, there's another Tesla driving in my lane. That's how they roll. We're going to the beach though, so it's no problem entering the beach neighborhood. Buddy, you need to calm down back there. Beautiful $1 million houses here on the beach, and this actually is more of a multi-family neighborhood. All these are like condos and townhouses, I think. Well, there's a couple single family residences mixed in there too, and of course the occasional mansion that was built over probably 3 or 4 houses. They just combine the lots because that's what rich people do, especially here in San Clemente. The real estate market is cray-cray. Oh my gosh. What's the situation here? Oh, we got an Amazon Prime truck in front of us. And there's the driver. I don't want to hit him. It gets so tight here in the neighborhood. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, now you're pulling over? I don't get it. Anyway. And we're off, clear. Oh, we're getting close, aren't we, big guy? You can smell the beach. We're like about 500 feet away from the beach now. Just gotta go one more left, and we're at the park. Oh, you see some other doggies, don't you? So the ones on the right here, these are the ocean view places. So those are going to be the most expensive. Nice, I see a lot of parking available. We have arrived. Coastal access to the park. Oh, there looks like a friendly golden retriever over there. We're going to go make friends. All right.